Hello everyone, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you. My people, the table have turned around. That which they expected from May Edochie, it don't dey happen to Judy Austin. My people, who thought say karma no dey, that person never waka go far for life. The table where they prepare for May Edochie, now the table na Judy Austin for come dey eat right now. The Nollywood people say they shock when they saw this whole thing happening. They want to believe say last na Yul Edochie na him charm Judy Austin. They won't believe, according to them, they say they believe say na Yul Edochie na him charm Judy Austin. My people, things they happen. Now, according to the information, the latest information when it land our table, Yul Edochie, una know say na Lizzie Gold, na they carry and they go, na they carry and waka. And Lizzie Gold don't finally wash her hands, say, Lizzie Gold don't finally wash her hands, say, she not do again, make Yul Edochie go meet Judy Austin. If Lizzie Gold leave Yul Edochie, who won't carry that man? Who won't rise down? Who won't build them up for that industry? Because as I talk to Rasul, Yul Edochie career, he don't bafuka, he don't fall like an Iroko tree. Yul Edochie have to go back, go to beg Lizzie Gold. He come back all the friends, join body, all of them, they come go to beg Lizzie Gold. As they beg Lizzie Gold say lie. He said Judy Austin no fear. Judy Austin come the challenger. Judy Austin come the talk to her. Because of who? Because of Yul Edochie. Wetin Yul Edochie dey give her. He say lie. Now Yul Edochie come tell Lizzie Gold say, what if he bring Judy Austin come beg you? You go forgive her. Now Lizzie Gold say yes. You know why Lizzie Gold say yes? Lizzie Gold say yes because she believed that Judy Austin will not go so low to come and beg her for forgiveness. Now Lizzie Gold say, bring her, she go kneel down and tell me sorry. If not, she is not going back to Yul Edochie. My people, they say now so Yul Edochie called Judy Austin, thinking say na joke. As they come out for there, now Yul Edochie called Judy Austin. Say me Judy Austin they rush, they come Asaba. Nah. Now Judy Austin say why? Now I can't tell Judy Austin say make it come beg Lizzie Gold. As he tell Judy Austin, the next thing now Judy Austin really carry a bag, really come Asaba. As he reach Asaba, Yul Edochie carry am. They go meet Lizzie Gold. As they reach where Lizzie Gold dey, now Judy Austin put her 2 knees for ground, start to dey beg Lizzie Gold. Hey, this one no be say them say. Some Nollywood actors and actresses were there. Their eyes saw it. This woman went on her knees. I said her knees. She went on her knees and she was begging seriously that Lizzie Gold should please. That it was jealousy that came over her. It will never repeat itself again. This woman come dey beg Lizzie Gold kneel down. Even Lizzie Gold shock. Nollywood people shock. Now Yul Edochie come dey shout for Judy Austin head. As she kneel down, they beg Lizzie Gold. Say if anything like this repeat itself, say he go package Judy Austin, package am to Umoji. Now Lizzie Gold come open mouth. He said, get up. Oh. Now so Judy Austin come go. You won't hug Lizzie Gold. He called the hug guy, could they say, oh, I'm sorry, Lizzie Gold, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. He no go talk anything when I like una do. It's none of her business. Both of you are just living your life. She too, she go dey live her own. There is no quarrel again. Abeg, remove quarrel comot for mind. Help Yul Edochie. Yeah? My people, na wetin Judy Austin do. She went on her 2 knees to beg Lizzy God. As he beg finish, na Yul Edochie package am back to Abuja. That thing wey Judy Austin do, e shock a lot of people. Many people wey their eye reach am, they say na Yul Edochie na use charm take hold Judy Austin. There is nothing you will tell them. Yul Edochie go use charm carry Judy Austin comot for her husband house. My people, una need to watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to know the full details. You need to watch so that you will hear all the full details. So a lot of people come dey talk, Judy Austin, Yul Edochie, this is not ordinary. E be like say Yul Edochie don't do charm. Some people say na lie. Now from Mr. Obasi house now do the charm. How will this woman leave a man that trained her in school? The man they give her everything. In short, wetin Mr. Obasi give Judy Austin, Yul Edochie has never done it. Yet this woman left that good man and run after somebody's husband. That means this man has been using charm on Judy Austin. Lizzy Gold, when he did, suspected something. Now Lizzy Gold can't carry Yul Edochie go corner. Say, Yul Edochie, tell her the truth, because she go still find out. If she find out, it will be worse. Tell her the truth. How did you convince Judy Austin to come and kneel down here? Make it a beggar. My people, if you not hear the truth, if you not hear the truth, you now go clap for Mr. Obasi. You now go clap hand for Mr. Obasi. According to Yul Edochie say where they stay when their address burst out on social media. You know, say there was one main nation when he exposed Judy Austin address and everything for social media. So he decided to put a camera in that house. He can't decide to put camera. So when you put camera, Judy Austin say, no, not put for here, not put for there, not put for there, just put for outside house. So he can't put the camera, but he put the camera for everywhere for the house. Judy Austin all know say camera did the whole house. So Yul Edochie say this camera has been there. He never even go check the camera because there was nothing like a thief come the house or anything. So they were okay. He never went there to check that camera. Not until after Mr. Obasi come do interview, where Mr. Obasi come say Judy Austin and her sister, they carry different men. Say that they carry different men. They come in house. Say 2 of them they knock me for a bed. Now dear now Yul Edochie say come say that camera he need to go check something. If he be say this man wetin they talk na true. This is not only about dragging this woman and the children again. That word wey Mr. Obasi talk na strong word. And if it is not true, this man will not boldly go and say it on social media. So Yul Edochie say na there na he start to dey suspect. So now he come go secretly, he come carry that camera when he hide for the whole house. Now he come carry and come go check am. As he go check camera, this woman wetin she sabi for her husband house, Mr. Obasi house. Now he carry come him husband snatcher house. Yul Edochie see say Judy Austin they carry men, they enter their Abuja house. The camera dey. This one not be person can't tell Yul Edochie. This one not be them say, but rather in for inside camera. But they compose Yul Edochie. So Mr. Obasi was right all this while. This woman, even the time wey Augusta, Judy Austin sister, come Abuja, camera even still dey when they take dey carry men, they enter that house. Na so na Yul Edochie take go carry that camera, come go show Judy Austin. Judy Austin just go on her knee. The same thing wey she sabi do Mr. Obasi. He go dey beg. Na so Judy Austin start to dey beg. Come dey beg Yul Edochie. Say, Yul Edochie, please. Please, oh, please. That camera now, Yul Edochie dey use against Judy Austin right now. If Judy Austin, if you tell am say do like this, Judy Austin not do. He go say he won't post that camera for public. He won't post am come out, make people come see. Make they truly know who Judy Austin be. Judy Austin go start to dey beg. He go start to dey beg Yul Edochie. Anything wey Yul Edochie say, make she do that time, she go do am. So, na that same camera now Yul Edochie use to threaten Judy Austin. Say if he no go beg Lizzie Gold, he help her. Say he go carry this camera, he go release am for social media. They say the camera, no be one, no be two, different men. Now she dey carry dey go Yul Edochie house. You see that Abuja where she dey, Yul Edochie dey Asaba. She is very comfortable. She have all the men, boyfriend wey dey come knack. And the worst part of it, she dey carry them. They enter the bed when Yul Edochie dey sleep. And the daughter and the son, they see am. They know they talk. For them, it's normal thing. Their mama, they hustle. For the children, their mother is hustling. Imagine waiting to the Austin they do in front of Mr. Obasi's daughter. Now that girl has grown up with that mentality that you can be under a man roof and be bringing other men into your house. It is called hustle. Because if they call Yul Edochie, say bring money sometimes, the man go they complain, they talk. So his mama they hustle with Yul Edochie house for Abuja. Now that thing, now Yul Edochie they use they blackmail Judy Austin now. Anything we tell her make it do, now the woman they do right now. Because that video, now only Yul Edochie, now they possess of that video. And he said if Judy Austin make him or do one thing, he go release them for social media. Now Judy Austin don't go beg Lizzie Gold. On her knees, now it's a beggar. So as it is now, if Lizzie Gold decide to go back to Yul Edochie, say they can't settle, because Yul Edochie is begging for settlement right now. Now we say Judy Austin have no voice or mouth to talk again. She will just sit down there and be watching Yul Edochie dating Lizzie Gold. Is this not what they plan for me, Edochie? Una no say as scammer they work. Now wetin they plan? If Yul Edochie carry Judy Austin come into their marriage, into me Edochie marriage, me Edochie go give them space. She will support them. She will accept them. Anything wey they do, it will be okay. She not go talk. That was what Judy Austin was planning. That me Edochie will accept her. Anything wey Yul Edochie they do, me Edochie not go talk. She'll just quiet. But now the table don't turn around. If Lizzie Gold decide to accept Yul Edochie today, Judy Austin go sit down, fold her hand. They look Yul Edochie and Lizzie Gold. They do lovey. She not go see Matt they talk. They say if you see as Yul Edochie they shout for her. Yul Edochie say na that camera. He say you need to see the rubbish when Judy Austin they do. He say you need to see the way the pack men they come his house. When he confronted her, Judy Austin say, na people wey come repair this, na something spoil, he just call them to come check. Some just come to her house, not that she invited them. She come they talk different story. Forgetting, or rather not knowing that Yul Edochie hide camera for inside their room. Now that one day inside room, now Yul Edochie come show and last, they see you. So the men, they can't repair your kpekus spoil. One part of this kpekus is not working. So this man need to come and service it for it to work, abi? Now there shame come catch Judy Austin. Body compose Judy Austin. Now Yul Edochie tell am say, they say now Yul Edochie tell am say, any day you make pain, this thing will be on social media. So Yul Edochie now don dey blackmail Judy Austin with that tape, with that video camera, when he target Judy Austin, when she and her sister were repeating the same thing they did in Mr. Obasi house, repeating it in Abuja. Alhaji, when he come, they go sit down for parlor. Alhaji go bring wine, they go dey drink. They go use Yul Edochie house. They don't turn Yul Edochie house to hotel for Abuja. Anytime you see Lizzie Gold, Yul Edochie, and Judy Austin together, just know that the deed has been done. Judy Austin don't go on her knees. She don't beg Lizzie Gold. And if Lizzie Gold decide to accept Yul Edochie back into her life, Judy Austin won't get voice or mouth to talk. She will support it with her mouth closed. Accept it with her eyes open, but with her mouth closed. You see how God take punish. You see how God take return everything wey Judy Austin plan for May Edochie. The way God take return her back to her is so alarming. My people, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.